Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay. It's pretty quick, isn't he? What's his ratings here? 1 minute 14:32. Oh man. It's 3 minutes 16:66. His 5 minute has been up to 2:3:13 on 31st of January 2015. Interesting. I'll take this guy and try and use the dark square bishop, maybe. Hoping this dark square bishop is useful. Alright, what's happening here? Is knight f3 happening? Okay, hang on. Knight d4 may be best. Let's cover that f3 square. Get these guys out now. Yeah. What about f3? Is that any good? Coming up here. G4, is that crazy? Takes. Yeah. That might not have been the cleverest thing to do. Anyway. Is he forced to play bishop g4 because of that pin? Have I got any compensation here? E4 springs to mind. I might be able to play that because I'm on d3. So knight e4, queen d3. Knight e5, knight f5. Okay, it's dropped d3. That's good news. Okay, so there's knight f5. That's good. G7. So queen d4 here, finally on the pressure, on g7. Actually I've got then queen g7 on the cards, queen g7. Aha. Gotta keep its queen protecting g7. f6 looks very tempting. There's always rook f2 to this rook e2 if nothing else, but f2 has to be parried first. Okay. Yeah. Let's move on. And get the pieces off here. Oh, why didn't I just use that pin? That was a bit
Check.
silly. That nice pin. Well, anyway, Queen F2 here looks remarkably dangerous. So I'm on the rook. I've got Queen F8. Yeah, a bit of a lucky game. It was obviously I didn't mean to lose a pawn horribly like that. Queen F8 and then Rook F7. Look,
check.
End of game. Oh, is it? No, it's got Rook E7. Or maybe taking and then Bishop H3.
Check.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like a slip up for me, and he blundered. In return, blunder was rewarded.
Check.
By a blunder, which sometimes happens. I think people get relaxed after seeing a blunder from the opponent. Yeah, so, well, here, I mean, so just getting the knight back, it should be much better. Right, so I was back in the game after that. In fact, this diagonal was quite good then. Alright, yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.